Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm just going to make these monster Halloween cookies. These are a lot of fun to make, and you can really be creative with how you put the eyeballs on. It's a lot of fun, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. So here's what you're going to need to make this recipe. You're going to need a sugar cookie recipe. You can make your own from scratch. I'm using a pre-made mix. It calls for 1 stick of softened butter. You're also going to need 1 large egg, also is what the recipe calls for. You're going to need some of these little edible eyeballs. You can get them in any craft store, sometimes in the baking section at Walmart or even on Amazon. You're also going to need some food coloring. Now I have orange food coloring, I have green, and I need purple, so I'm going to make purple by using pink and blue. That's all you need. Now let's make the cookies. So start off with a large bowl, and to that I'm going to add my sugar cookie mix, 1 stick of softened butter, and 1 large egg. Now just mix this up. Okay, so when that's all mixed up, we're going to divide this now into 3 separate bowls. And now for the first bowl, I'm going to put some orange food coloring in here. Mix that in. Okay, that's well mixed. Let's put that aside and we'll move on to the next one. This one I'll put some green food coloring in. And for purple, I'm just adding some pink, a couple drops, and some blue. And now we're just going to drop these cookies right on there with a little cookie scooper thing. Now just take these, put these in the oven at 375 degrees for about 7 to 9 minutes. Alright, so when they come out of the oven, what you got to do is take your eyeballs and place it strategically all over your cookies. Do this right away, don't let them cool down. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into one of these orange monster cookies, and here we go. It's good. It's a nice cookie. I love the taste of the eyeballs, which are just basically sugar. And it works perfectly with the sugar cookie. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these monster Halloween cookies. It was a lot of fun making these. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And for the whole month of October, you'll be getting a new video every single day. So be sure to check back tomorrow. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.